Hello everyone, today is August 18, the time check is 5:45. Dito tayo ngayon sa Cubao, no? Sa terminal ng Cubao dahil naipadala yung mga stocks natin ng honey, mga new stocks ng honey, and we are here to pick it up. Yeah. So we do have distributions para ngayong araw na to. Sine-check lang natin yung bus na may dala ng items natin, and ayun, and kukunin na natin yung mga stocks natin and then go home kasi kasuhin yung mga orders for today. Monday ngayon, first day of the week, distribution, and then hopefully tomorrow we do have another distribution. This is just a quick video. First day of the week, let's start it strong. Nahanap ko lang yung porter kasi magbubuhat ng items natin. Just a quick video. Babush.